Welcome to Campbell RV, the Gulf Coast's premier destination for RVs. And here's a look at another great vehicle from our inventory. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with carbon monoxide detector, linen cabinet, large counter area, in-floor ducted heat, big corner shower, walk-around queen bed, dual lights over headboard, end tables, slide-out kitchen, sofa bed, drip spouts, walk-through bathroom, smoke detector, theater seat for two with cup holders, decorative kitchen backsplash, TV hookup in bedroom, cable TV hookup, shower skylight, booth dinette, living area closet, over-the-range microwave, entertainment center, overhead storage, outside gas grill, pleated shades, double kitchen sink, 3-burner range, bedroom nightstand, lift-up queen bed, sofa slide-out, USB charging station, bedroom closet, electric awning with LED lights, wardrobe closet, roof ladder, dual entry doors in bathroom, a backup camera, AM/FM CD DVD player, ducted AC, flip-up counter. At Campbell RV, we've been helping families create memories since 1993. Besides new and pre-owned RVs for sale and rent, Campbell RV also services them as well. We work to provide a learning environment where you can get your questions answered without pressure to buy. From our family to yours, Campbell RV is here to provide you with the best experience possible picking out the right RV for you. Come see us today at 617 Callemen Road in Sarasota. Campbell RV, where away is closer than you think.
Thank you.